It's the moving day.
29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as
We are packed up. Finally, there was so much to pack. The man and van guy is coming.
Yeah, so basically we're done with filing. As you can see, there are a lot of moving boxes and bags and everything. The room is also packed with so many boxes. So we booked a man and van, which will come around 1:30, and then before that we'll just start moving box downstairs. And yeah, we'll be finally and officially moving off this flat,
I'm
which is
going to miss this flat so much.
definitely, and especially the weather just turned out to be great again today, which is just making us realize that we're gonna miss this flat a lot.
I'm so emotional right now.
Yeah, but
Actually, when you just said that, we got sunshine on our last day in this house.
anyway, we have a hectic day today. We'll be moving a lot of boxes, but definitely getting a man on man will help us a lot. We also have a friend came here to support. But this journey didn't just start today. Let us take you back to the past few weeks, where our days were spent walking and our nights were filled with packing and cleaning. You never truly realize how much stuff you have accumulated until it's time to pack it all up. We initially thought 40 small boxes would be more than enough. Oh, how wrong we were. We kept needing more and more and even more. Another crucial part of moving out in the UK is cleaning. We tried tackling it ourselves. As you can see, me armed with all my cleaning tools, but soon realized that it was best to be left to the professionals for the end of tenancy deep clean. We took it room by room, slowly watching our home empty out. It was exciting. After all, we were moving into something of our own. So we moved majority of our stuff yesterday, and we are finally back to just have a final look at the house, just to make sure everything is removed and also to pick up our final bits and pieces that we have left. The house already feels empty. You can feel the echo of your voices when you're speaking, and it just looks slightly weird. We spent our last night here sleeping because there was no bed to start with in that new place, and also we had stuff left here so which we wanted to pick up, and we also wanted to soak up the view for the last time, which was again amazing. It's a good weather day today as well. One of our friends is coming to pick up with our stuff. Then we've got one of our bikes left, which I'll just take in the overground. That's the plan for today, and hopefully we'll start with setting up the house from tomorrow. Today I'm way too tired and just want to relax and do nothing else, to be honest. So we have moved all our stuff to our new home now, and we are doing these final touch-ups, which is basically using magic eraser to rub all the scuffs that has happened over the year. It's a good tool. And then we also have got few places to do paint.
It's very cheap, but it's really effective.
So she's our labor for today for scuff remover, and I am for painting, which I'll start as well. So what we will do is, there's nothing much to paint. We tried to behave when we were here, but still at the time of moving, there were a few more. You just dip it slightly, then with the small corners, then just like this. And that's it, it will dry. And we finished our work and went to the balcony for the one last time. This is actually the last day of watching this amazing view in this flat. What do you want to say?
I don't know. I have just mixed feelings. I think I'm gonna miss this one, and I'm excited about the other one.
Yeah, it's very sad to actually go from this place, and especially the weather. And weather today is also has been amazing again. It just makes, I think, makes me sad for sure, and I believe for Ria as well. It's just something incredible. I don't think we will ever be able to get this view, and I think this was just the USP of this entire flat.
But we have amazing view of the other.
Yeah, but life moves on, and we are moving on for something better. So obviously, it's good. It's good for us.
Why are you?
It's actually sad.
It's not that sad. It will happen.
It's sad to see. Finally, we are leaving this flat. Today is the last day, and we are done with all the formalities. The only thing which is left is to just to hand over the keys. Well, it's a mixed feeling because the place that we are moving to is our own place, which we are so happy about it. But also, we have lived in this place for a while, and we have so many small memories. We lived in this place together as a couple for the first time. And
Celebrated New Year's with our friends. Celebrated Diwali. Our first Diwali post marriage.
and so many like smaller bits, and the sunrise. I think I just love the sunrise
That's
in this
the
place
best part.
daily, like almost daily. Is just the best thing that this flat has got.
I think the only regret that I have is that our families could not see it.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
just
That's
true.
why this is also one of the reasons we're capturing this so that they could see this and relive whatever we lived during
Yeah,
our
exactly.
period here.
When our flat was finalized and a new one, we were just telling each other like they couldn't get to see this amazing view which we woke up daily. So that was just one of the regrets, but obviously that is a new place. There will be new memories there as well, something different. For sure, we're moving on for something better. That is for sure. But yeah, it's just always this emotional bit that is left for this flat. But yeah, it's I'm feeling slightly, bit overwhelmed just leaving this because until now we were just busy, doing moving out, cleaning things, and doing so many other bits. It's just the only thing which is left is now handing out the keys. And the thing is that we won't come again into this flat. It's just sad for me. Hmm.
Oh,
But
we'll
okay,
be okay.
yeah, we will be cool.
Cool.
Okay, well,
Yeah.
see you guys with some more videos from our new house, and oh, yeah, and just bye. Nothing else for now. This place held so many memories. The memory of Ria moving in after our wedding, our first New Year here, our first Diwali away from family, our first spring, our first summer, and so many more firsts. This home saw our happiest days, silliest moments, and stood by us during the tough ones. And honestly, we couldn't have asked for a better place to start this chapter of our lives together. We are moving forward to something new, something better, but this flat will always have a special place in our hearts. It's never easy to make a place truly feel like home, but this one did. We hope that whoever moves in next creates just as many beautiful memories here as we did. And yes, we know it sounds cliche, but we really truly love this place and we are gonna miss it a lot.